Case law review. So this is the case that was successful in case a sponsor challenged the revocation of a sponsor license. So the name of the case is, I will write it down also in the description maybe, Treal Care, TREAL Care UK Limited versus Home Office. In this case, the Home Office has cancelled their sponsor license, revocation of license. They filed for judicial review and they did win it. So what were the points? Just to put it across, there were, I think, 3 individuals. I'll summarily describe it, who were involved, who were their employees, and they were sponsored. So I think they were the ones who were an issue. The home office problem was they were not paid the right amount. That's what home office said. You didn't pay the right amounts to these people, so there was no genuine vacancy. Hence, we are refusing we are cancelling the sponsor license and also revoking all the visas of these 3 individuals. That was the case. So this was the argument that was placed on. In case of one individual, there are only 2 individuals mainly that the Home Office was creating issues with. One individual, he was on unpaid leave, and it was reported through the Home Office SMS, sponsor management system. There is a system through which if you are taking more than 4 weeks of unpaid leave, there is a time period. You need to report it every time. Remember that. This is very, very important. That's why I always say report everything that you do. It was reported through the sponsor management system. They had proof that they had reported, and hence he was paid less. So throughout the year, it ended up less. Secondly, also the aspect was, over a period of the whole year, I think the whole salary was paid. Only a particular month he was not paid. So that was mainly the issue. He was paid less. So just to focus on the crux, he was, for unpaid leave he was not paid, and that unpaid leave was reported through the sponsor management system. Home Office may have looked at it, whatever, they ignored it. They didn't take any cognizance of that. They didn't do anything. So that's fine. So hence it was held that obviously that cannot be held against the sponsor. It was reported. That was one aspect about one individual. So that's what they got away with. On the second point, on one of the other individuals, there was compassionate leave. Maybe someone in that person's family died and that person had taken compassionate leave. And so it is a legitimate leave. That's what the court did held. And the sponsor, they rectified. Ideally, they should have paid. Obviously, compassionate leave should be paid as per the law. So the sponsor rectified this, paid for the compassionate leave, showed evidence in the court that we have paid it, we didn't knew, it was our mistake, we didn't pay him, and it was accepted. And on both these points, the court accepted and it was approved.